As I mentioned, the Indian market are developing very fast. And today everybody's focusing on the Indian market because everybody believes that the next booming market is going to be India. And therefore it's a big change within the Indian market for looking on product line that not only related to the cost of the product, but more related how to increase the productivity, that is including automation, including the latest innovation, and not relying on the cost. We put a big focus on the Indian market, as this is the next market for the automotive industry, for the aerospace industry, and this is the market for what we actually develop within our cutting tool. I'm Jacob Harpaz. I'm the chairman and the president of IMC Group, ISCAR.
Hi, my name is Rahul Patil. I'm the president and CEO of ISCAR in India. With all this new innovation, ISCAR is making a big impact in the global manufacturing and helping our customers. These are all our out-of-the-box solution which are impacting in a big way to save a lot of money, a lot of time for our customers, especially into aerospace, automotive, energy, oil and gas, mould, and in multiple sectors, which is creating a real big noise in terms of that best practices are shared among all the markets. Like whatever is producing in US in terms of aerospace, it is now also produced in India, also produced in France, also produced in Europe, and even in Japan, even in Asian market. So these products not only creating and setting a benchmark in locally, but it's a big impact on a global overview where ISCAR innovation is leading in the entire cutting tool world. And with today's session, I think we also seen that all our customers from India, they are also welcoming these products, and they also have a real global connect because their headquarters are there in West, there in East, and it is leveraging them not only to use the tools in US, but the same concept can be used in India, and the same concept can be used in France, and can be used in Thailand, can be used in Japan. So these products are not only for one market, but it is for the entire world, for the manufacturing industry. And that is what we believe, that innovation never stops.